When I turn my aircon past the first setting, the force of the air closes the vent closest to my driver's door. As you can imagine, that causes a bit of a problem in the middle of summer, so I need to replace it. To remove the old vent, there are 3 clips. You can access the ones on either side by going through the splines of the vent with a screwdriver and pulling them down. The third one is in the centre, and to get to this one, go between the vent and the dashboard from above and press it down. With those 3 clips loosened, you can just pop the vent out. I bought this second-hand vent from eBay for $27.99. It actually works, but this cover is disgusting and faded, so I'm going to swap those over. There are 2 clips on the top and 2 on the bottom, and the ring should just pop off. When fitting it onto the new one, make sure you get it the right way around. The top has the clips close together, on the bottom they're further apart. You can just press the new vent into place and that's it, job done. Now I can crank my AC all the way up and the vent stays open, just like it should.